United Architects of the Philippines and Professional Practice in 15 seconds. As part of the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 9266, replacing replacing 1979 document 202 under regular design services of an architect. The architect's works start at the inception of the project when the owner outlines his requirements to the architect. The work covers the various aspects of the project, from analysis and study of the needs and requirements, the preparation of the necessary instrument of service, and finally to the supervision during work implementation. It only ends when the general contractor or builder turns over the completed project to the owner. Okay?